Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G7 Play, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So to get started, you want to power off the device by holding the power key and selecting power off. And once the device shuts off, you will want to hold power key and volume down. So from here, you want to select recovery mode using volume keys to navigate to the menu. Basically switches what is right here, and once you see the recovery mode right here, press the power key, confirm it, and then you should see, well, the Android with no command. So hold power key and press volume up like so, and we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can restart the device, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data on system, view logs, and a couple other things. And I'm just gonna select the reboot system to go back to the normal Android as an example. So once it's selected like it is right now, all you need to do is press the power key to confirm it, and it will automatically start the reboot. And you can see that we're back in the Android system. So that is how you'd access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.